Hello and welcome to this week's episode. We are talking about the basics of meditation.
Meditation is one of the techniques often used for stress management. Someone who is riddled with problems often finds it hard to focus, which often leads to more problems. Meditation techniques can help you achieve a calm state of mind. Every step of meditation is done in the mind.
It's almost impossible to attain a calm state of mind in just a matter of minutes, especially if it's your first time. It is essential that you keep on practicing meditation until you have conditioned your mind to instantaneously achieve that calm state just by thinking about it. Here are 4 basic steps for a beginner to start with meditation as their stress management strategy.
1. Find a quiet corner to start your meditation. Distraction is a hindrance to those who are still starting out with meditation. When you close your eyes, your sense of hearing will be twice as good, so almost any noise in your surroundings will make it hard for you to concentrate. It is important to start out in a quiet place in your home where noise is non-existent. Close your windows and lock your door. If possible, you can tell everyone in your home to minimize their noise so that you won't get distracted.
2. Ready your position. It is advisable for beginners to avoid lying down when practicing meditation. The aim here is not to fall asleep, and it is likely that you will fall asleep if your mind reaches a relaxed state. To stop this from happening, you can start your meditation in a lotus position, or you can find a chair you can sit on. Make sure that your back is straight and your hands are relaxed on the armrest or on your lap.
3. Begin your meditation with proper breathing. A good way to start meditation is to do the proper breathing exercise. You inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This way you can come up with a rhythm that you can easily focus on. Also, the amount of oxygen in your body will help keep you relaxed. Keep practicing your breathing until you can do it easily without having to think about it.
4. Focus on your mind. Whilst you are concentrating on your breathing, you will achieve a state where your mind will start throwing images at you. These are mostly random, events of the day, future plans, problems and worries, fears, and so on. It will be hard to ignore these thoughts. You are not supposed to ignore them. The point is to acknowledge these thoughts when they enter your mind and then release them. This might sound hard, but here is a simple example to help you understand the concept.
You know that you have furniture at home. You can see it clearly with your eyes, but you are not really concentrating on it. Focusing on the furniture will usually make you think of its colour, its material, how it looks in that part of your home, and more. You need to be able to look at these random thoughts in a detached state, seeing them clearly in your head, but not focusing your attention on them. There will come a time when these random thoughts will stop and you will notice that you are already in a blank space in your mind. This is the state you want to achieve during meditation. This is the place where you can think about your problems and focus on them so you can find a solution for them.
If you have managed to complete all 4 steps, you have successfully mastered the basics of meditation. Remember, meditation isn't just a one-time deal. It might seem hard at first, but keep trying to keep practicing. It will be worth it in the end. If meditating in silence isn't for you, try these simple tips, but maybe listen to a guided meditation instead. Do you have any meditation tips? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us on today's episode. We hope you learned something new. Please like, subscribe, and ding the bell so you don't miss future uploads.